feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Hey guys, guess what I found at trade day? Does anybody have a clue what this is? Let me show you some details, maybe you can guess it. Looking at the container here, you got this little hook thing, I guess it hooks there, and it's got an empty part in there. You see these little vented things up there? Well, that must be. Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Help me to feed all the hungry. Use me, Lord, to ease their misery. From all this worldly pain and captivity, for you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go